So you're gonna go over here and on the top right corner, unscrew it. I'll put links in the description towards Amazon. Usually they have the cheapest fluid you can put over here and it's quite great, good quality. Once you unscrew, remove this gasket and pour it over here. Never go above the maximum line that is around here and the minimum line that is right over around there. As it is right now, it's perfect. It's sitting at a great level. Once you're done, make sure to put the gasket first. Not like this. Make sure it's properly aligned. And then put the cap back and screw it. Make sure it's tight. Perfect. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video.